What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. On this episode of Renovate This Whole House, we're going to be doing an update of the interior. The interior is finally finished, so let's take a look. So this is the main entry room, and you can see we've done all the floors, the painting. The fireplace is completed with the granite hearth. And the wall we removed. Appliances are in, cabinets are installed. And the fireplace granite comes from the kitchen. New backsplash. Go down the hall and take a look at the master bedroom. And going into the master bathroom, we installed a tile, new vanity, new toilet, and refinished the tub. Closet, we put in new hardware, as well as carpet. New lighting. And venting. And this is the washroom. New hanging hardware, new shelving, and new hot water tank installed. Let's take a look at the garage. Two-car garage. And we did install two new garage doors, Craftsman with my Q on them. And if you're interested on how to install garage doors, put it in the comment section and we'll cover that. The furnace is out here in the garage. This is the flooring, also runs in there. And on the steps, put vinyl riser and wood treads. And in this bathroom, put new vanity, also new toilet, and refinish this tub. As well as new lighting. And new ventilation. And in this bedroom, we did decide to leave the existing hardwood floors here. And install new carpet in the closet. In this bedroom, we installed carpet. And it runs in the closet. And we have another pantry here, another closet here. And in this bedroom, we installed carpet also. And we put in recessed lighting. We also added a barn door to the closet. So that completes everything on the interior. So let me know what you think. This ends this episode of Renovate This Whole House. The interior is completed. So now, do you think you can renovate a whole house? Put it in the comment section and let me know. Hopefully these videos helped. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification for upcoming videos. Until next time on Renovate This Whole House, we'll talk to you later.